Yeah, I am Sarhadi. I am senior researcher at Technical University of Denmark. I am working on additive manufacturing or 3D printing of composite materials, especially continuous fiber composite. This conference was a very good opportunity for me to present some part of our research and also to listen to other innovative researchers from around the world, from Europe and other parts of the world. I think it was good to listen to presentation of people in other directions like medical application, space application, both metal 3D printing and composite 3D printing, polymer printing. I think it was a very good place to share knowledge and find potential collaboration with other researchers. And I'm looking forward for the next conference that I think it will be held in London next year.